Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Social Studies. Previous class we have learned chapter 2 Almanac, and I told you read the lesson well and understand the definition of Almanac, then Gregorian calendar, etc. All of you read and learned. What is Almanac? An almanac is an annual publication which include information such as weather forecast, tide tables and tabular information arranged according to the calendar. Okay. So what is tide tables, tabular information, that also I have explained. I hope all of you understood this portion. Okay. Then I have explained about the Gregorian calendar. What is Gregorian calendar? This Gregorian calendar is the widely used calendar in the world today. So which calendar is the widely used calendar in the world today? Gregorian calendar. And this is a solar based calendar. And how many months are there in a Gregorian calendar? There are 12 months in a Gregorian calendar. And how many days are there in February as per the Gregorian calendar? There are 28 days in February as per the Gregorian calendar. But in a leap year, how many days are there in February? There are 29 days in February according to the Gregorian calendar in a leap year. Okay. So what is a leap year? What is a leap year? Have you heard the leap year? About a leap year? Okay, in a Gregorian calendar, there are 97 leap years after every 400 years. After every 400 years, there are 97 leap years are there in a Gregorian calendar. This leap year comes after every 4 years. After every 4 years, the 5th year will come, that will be the leap year. So have we understood it is a leap year or not? Usually a year has 365 days, but a leap year has 366 days. That is difference. Okay. A year has 365 days and a leap year has 366 days. And usually February has 28 days, but in a leap year February has 29 days. So that is a leap year. So how this leap year will be calculated? Listen. We know that usually a year has 365 days, but not only this 365 days, 365 plus 1 by 4 day. 1 by 4 day means 1 by 4th of a day. We know that a day has 24 hours. And what is 1 by 4th of 24? 1 by 4th of 24 is equal to 6 hours. Okay. So 365 and 6 hours. But it is not a full day. So we will not calculate with this 365 days. So we will keep this 6 hours aside. Okay. Aside. Then again the next year also 365 days plus this 1 by 4 or this 6 hours. And we will take only the 365 and the 6 hours will be added together, the first 6 hours. Then again the third year will comes and it also has 365 days plus 6 hours. And we will take only this 365 days and 6 hours will be kept side to those 6 hours. Then again the fourth days come and it also has 365 days plus 6 hours. We will take only the 365 days and the 6 hours will be calculated to those 6 hours. So for 6 hours we have calculated in 4 year. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 4 6 are 24. So 24 hour we will get after the 4th year. So 24 hour means 1 day. So after the 4th year, we will get one extra day. That means the 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 24 days, 24 hours, and this 24 hours means one day, and this one extra day will be calculated with the 5th year. So the 5th year, when the 5th year comes, it has 365 days plus one extra day, that is 360 days, 366 days. Okay, understood this all of you? In this way the leap year will be calculated. Okay, then so in a leap year there will have 366 days, and in leap year February has also 29 days. Okay, that is the difference between leap year and normal year. Okay, then every year divisible by 4 gives a leap year, and every year divisible by 100 is not a leap year, and every year divisible by 400 is a leap year after all. That means if we take if we have to find out that year is leap year or not, we take that year and divided it with 4. If it is completely divisible, that is a leap year. If it is not completely divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. Clear? So in this way we can calculate any year, is it leap year or not. Clear? Then we have learned learned the Gregorian calendar. That one more point is there, that is the Gregorian calendar was proposed by Aloysius Lilius, and it is adopted or made design making was done by Pope Gregory. That is why it is known as Gregorian calendar. But he took the design from the Italian doctor and astronomer and philosopher Lucio Lillo. And Lucio Lillo was an Italian doctor, astronomer and a philosopher, and he has so many designs of this calendar, and Pope Gregory take the designs from him. Okay, that means it is an adaptation of a calendar designed by an Italian doctor, astronomer and a philosopher, Lucio Lillo. And who gave the design for this Gregorian calendar? Lucio Lillo. He was an Italian doctor and astronomer, and Gregorian calendar was proposed by Aloysius Lilius, and it was adopted by Pope Gregory and taken the design from Lucio Lillo. So understood all of you? Almanac, Gregorian calendar and leap year. Okay, so read this chapter till here, and I will give some homework. This homework you don't do in copy, this is some extra questions. Okay, and try to answer this question, which is listen and write in rough copy, and try to write this answer in rough copy. Which calendar is the widely used calendar in the world today? Which calendar is the widely used calendar in the world today? Okay, then second question is, how many months are there in a Gregorian calendar? What is second question? How many months are there in a Gregorian calendar? Then the third question is, how many days are there in February according to the Gregorian calendar? How many days are there in February according to the Gregorian calendar? Then fourth question is, how many days are there in a leap year? How many days are there in a leap year according to the Gregorian calendar? Then fifth question is, how many days are there in February according to the Gregorian calendar? How many days are there in February in a leap year? How many days are there in February in a leap year? Okay, once again I will say all the questions. Which is the widely used calendar in the world today? Second question, how many days are there in, how many months are there in a year according to the Gregorian calendar. Then third question is, how many days are there in February according to the Gregorian calendar? Then fourth question is, how many days are there in a leap year? Then fifth question is, how many days are there in February in a leap year? Okay, this don't do in copy, only for practice. You have to do in practice copy or rough copy. Clear? So read this chapter well. Bye. We will meet in the next class.